Hey guys, I'm Asia.
And I'm Aziza.
And we're A&A.
And today we are going to be doing the MacBook Pro 2020 unboxing. We have the 13-inch MacBook Pro, but on the features on the back, there's a touch bar and Touch ID, full-size Magic Keyboard. We'll put all the features in the description box below so you can see it, see what the features have. But right now, we're gonna go ahead and open up this bad boy. So,
but wait,
do you wanna?
It has 1 terabyte and 16 gigabyte memory. That's why I got it, and it's 13 inches.
Yeah, why did tell the people why you got it? Why did you get this? First of all, tell them how you upgraded and what you upgraded from.
I upgraded from this one.
That's a 2010?
2012.
2012
MacBook Pro with the CD-ROM. Hold up. See that? I actually like it. I can still put my DVDs in there. And look at all these USB ports. Nice. But I am gonna miss the butterfly keys.
What butterfly keys?
These.
What's the difference between a
You'll see in a sec. Alright. So now we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing.
You wanna open the plastic?
I would love to, because these already ripped it a little bit.
I didn't mean to.
Yeah. Also, I got it from apple.com. I actually enjoyed it.
You see me?
Because it came in 2 days and it was $200 off, and I got free AirPods. Not the AirPod Pro, but the AirPods.
Is that a deal that they're doing right now?
Yes. So look into that.
Alright, let's open it. Let's go.
Alright.
Do like a little drum roll. You wanted to open the plastic.
Here we go. Can you see that, Ollie?
Oh yeah, go ahead and show the people. Rip the other way. Oh, that was not as graceful as I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah, me neither.
You wanna open it together?
Yes, he's No,
you didn't. You wanted to
open
it yourself.
I got the gray one, the silver gray, like this one, the other one. Everybody else seems like they're getting the dark gray, so I wanted to be a little bit different. So it's the silver gray.
Alright, here we go.
1, 2, 3. Please don't want to drop.
Oh wait, well then you gotta put
it on the
table.
Oh.
Wow. Does it have like a new laptop? No? Is that possible? You want to swap? It doesn't, guys. You really got silver, huh?
This is yes, it's cute.
So this is what it looks
and plus,
like.
My other brothers.
It has like a plastic covering, which I'm guessing protects the top of the laptop, so that when it's shipping and stuff like that, it's not scratching. But this is what you're gonna see. Do you want to pull the tape? I feel like everything is just so. It's like they really. Oh, I feel like. Oh wow, it's really light.
It's really thin.
It has. Oh wow, Apple. The presentation. This is very light. First time touching it. You should be touching it, but. Oh, and it has a mirror. Like you can see yourself in the Apple. Before there was like a light, but do you want to?
Yeah, can I
open it?
Yeah, thanks.
But before we do all of that, it comes with. It looks like this is the charger.
I like this. I mess with this.
And then you have. This is the manual.
And the stickers.
You get these cute little stickers.
Cute.
This is. Okay, Apple.
Oh, and it's silver.
We see you. This is great. And it looks like the manual is not. You know how usually manuals have like thick, yeah, and you just gotta flip through page. Like this looks like it's pretty easy setup.
I'm actually nervous because I just feel like I'm breaking up with my old laptop.
Yeah, it'll tell you welcome to your MacBook Pro.
I don't think I backed everything up yet.
Tells you that you have a Thunderbolt 3 USB-C, a headphone jack. And you can also charge it through these USB things. So you get, it looks like 2 on each side. So you have 2 here, 2 here, and then you have your headphone jack right here. Well, we can go in and open it, but before we do that, it has this charging block that'll connect to this.
And I heard it's really fast, from what I've heard. It charges
That's
really
good.
fast.
But that's all that's in the box. But let's go ahead and open it. Oh look, and it automatically opens up. Let's take this cover off, but it's loading.
What?
Yeah. And then what it looks like over here, and we can do some close-up shots, but it has this touchscreen bar on the laptop, which is crazy because none of the other laptops have this. It has the brightness keys on the touch bar, the brightness on the keyboard, and then you have your sound, so the volume on your keyboard. It has the X out with the sound bar, which will completely X out the sound that you're listening to, and then to maximize the sound, and then to lower the sound. So the first thing you're gonna see is it'll show you all of the languages that are available for your Mac. For us, we're gonna click on English. Right now, it'll take you to the welcome screen, just kind of what Apple does all the time.
The Touch ID.
With any Apple stuff. It does, yeah, that's a really good feature as well. On the
so you guys can touch my
right, my right, yeah, you'll have a finger Touch ID. So instead of typing in your password, all you can do is like put in your fingerprint and it'll unlock itself, which is a really cool feature. It takes a lot less time. But we're gonna click United States for this. And then of course you're gonna select your Wi-Fi network. It will also prompt you to the written and spoken languages window where you're able to set up your preferred languages, input sources, and dictation, which is dependent upon the language that you speak. In the choose your look window, you can choose the appearance on your Mac using light, dark, or auto. These appearances will be applicable to your menu bar, desktop picture, dock, and your built-in apps on your Mac. If you select the auto feature, this will automatically adjust the appearance. Using True Tone on your Mac is a technology that helps make your images on your Retina display and touch bar appear more natural. This is also one of my favorite features within Mac products in general is the Find My option. Setting this up will help you with finding your Apple devices, whether they get lost or stolen. Express Setup is very helpful for those who have an iCloud account. It's essentially just linking everything that you have from your iCloud account from previous devices and bringing it to your new device, which is super helpful. Apple also gives you the option to share your analytics information from your Mac with Apple. So the analytics information, when you check this box off, you're allowing Apple to use any type of analytics information. So with your permission, macOS can automatically collect analytics information from your Mac and send it to Apple to help improve the quality and performance of its products. This information is sent only with your consent and is submitted anonymously to Apple. Screen time is where you can look and see real-time reports about the time that you consume on your Apple devices, and you can also set limits for what you want to manage. It'll also prompt you to set up Siri on your Mac. You will then be given the option to choose your language for Siri, also along with some voice commands where Siri is able to recognize your voice. They'll also give you the option to improve Siri and dictation when you utilize Siri. In this step, it'll ask if you want to store some files from your iCloud along with videos and photos. File Vault Disk encryption helps with securing your data by encrypting the contents of your disk and locking your screen with a password. It will also take you to this window to update your Apple ID and to create your computer account. It's going to give you some terms and conditions to abide by and review. will also take you through iCloud setup, where it'll connect anything that you have within your iCloud account to your device. And then after all of these setup steps, it's going to set up your Mac. Alright guys, that's it. That's all we have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye guys.
Bye.